guys to another video, and we're gonna do some audio install. What we're gonna do today is actually door carbs and all the details about that. You're gonna see time lapses of me working, doing nice detail woodwork. So just stick around and watch.
This is one of my favorites. It's Cerwin-Vega, the Pro series, the Strokers. It's 6.5, and that's what I'm gonna have. This is 100 watts RMS, so the 200 watt max. Fortunately, I just have one speaker, but that's enough. Just gonna lay him out and just see how we're gonna do this. Take the cardboard and do a template. So guys, Jesus, okay, we have a lot of space. I don't know yet when the window is down. We're gonna have to check so that the speakers doesn't hit when you take down the window, but otherwise it looks good. But damn, look at the speaker. It's quite flat, but cool it is.
We have the speaker, then we have these holders for the speakers. I'm not finished yet. So we did two of them. The speaker's gotta be mounted like this. So they're flush with this panel. But this panel is going into the door side, or the door carb, you can say. Just gonna show you here. So here we have the door carb, and it's just the down or the under part from the door side, door carb, and then we're gonna fit this into this. So this is gonna sit flush with this surface, and then I'm gonna make exactly as I did in the trunk. So we have a frame and you have a font that you put over, and we're gonna make some nice design there. We grinded out the fitment for the panel. So the integration on the panel is like this, and over to the back side, it's actually doesn't look really nice, but it looks like this right now. But what we're going to do now is preparing for glass fiber and polyester. So we're actually going to use 3M plastic bond. It's really good stuff. So we're going to do this on the back side as much as we can, just to make it rigid. Then we're actually going to mount the door carbs onto the doors on the car, and that's really crucial. I've been doing this for over 10 years, 13 years now. And the fitment, if you do glass fiber on plastic besides or not mounted on the component that you want, you're not going to make a good fitment. So you have to do it on the part that you're gonna have it on. Door carbs, we're gonna mount them onto the car. We're gonna do the polyester and glass fiber. Then when it's hardened, we're gonna take them off again and prepare the back side. So front side, back side, and then just look and enjoy. is how it looks right now. This is one of the door carbs. It looks nasty, but it's really hard, really good. So fiberglass and polyester, and I already grinded down the other one. So this is quite how it should look before we apply the bondo. I'm going to begin with carbon fiber bondo and just grind it down with the flap disc 40 grit, and this is how it looks right now. So we're gonna apply the bondo, but first of all I'm gonna grind down the other door too. This is actually how it looks right now when the bondo is applied, and it makes the carbon fiber bondo is actually extremely tough. And as we know, interiors in cars get pretty hot. If you only use glass fiber or fiberglass and fiberglass bondo, it's gonna move quite a lot, and maybe you can get cracks when it gets really hot or cold. So that's why I always do the base with the carbon fiber bondo, because it doesn't move, and if it moves it actually shrinks back again to its original size. So base is always carbon fiber, and after that we can go over it with the soft bondo from Hogmounts. I'm gonna show you later, and hopefully my battery doesn't die. So what I did was I took the tweeter, turned it upside down, and I just like positioned it how I think it could look good. And the thing with this is I want to take this tweeter and make it level with this. So this is going to be a bit more square than it is right now. We have like a smooth surface with a small incline. You can see it like that. So what I'm gonna do is do a holder for the tweeter, and then I do a frame around here. As you see, the space is very limited on both sides, but I think I'm gonna make it. So as you saw, the back side of the panels are actually filled with resin and fiberglass. So this is 2 layers of fiberglass and resin. It's only to make it like stiffen up and be secure. I don't want to have any cracks when the sun hits the car and the interior gets really hot in the summer. So that's why we're always doing fiberglass and resin in the front and the back. That's just a tip from me. That's how I do it. That's a recommendation for you guys. We're just gonna wait for this to harden and then actually mount everything on and do the baffles for the tweeters and some bondo, and I think then everything's finished with the door carbs. Around about 2 days of work just to do 2 doors. That's how long it takes, and this is quite a simple design, I would say. Okay, not simple. There are more easier ways to go, but this wasn't too big of a job. And I look forward to actually going back in the trunk again, doing the flooring and finishing off the subwoofer. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully you like this content.